Hey guys, welcome back to the Delpris family, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money from copy and pasting links. Alright, so all we got to do first is come to findaforum.net, scroll down, pick a niche. This is very important, so you got to pick a niche. So right now for this video I'm going to pick marketing. And then as you can see, they give you they only have two forums for these. Doesn't matter. So we're gonna come over to YouTube. I already pre-did everything, so all you gotta do is click marketing for I put in marketing for beginners because that's the people I'm gonna target. Beginners who are trying to get in the marketing field and niche. So all you gotta do is scroll down and look for like the highest viewing one. Right, so for now I'm just gonna pick any video. All right, so I'm gonna pick this first one, and then all I'm gonna do is copy the link, copy its URL, and then I'm gonna come over to this website where it says share URLs and earn money. Right, all you gotta do is just sign up for this website. It says join now and earn on every link you shorten up to $70 per 10,000 views. Right, so that is why you got to pick all these high viewing YouTube videos, because you're gonna put them in the forums, and then as I said before, you're gonna make some money. So all right, so all you got to do is just read these. I always advise you guys to read all of these. All right, so it says right here, low minimum payout, so you can earn up to $5 before you can get paid. And it also takes PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, and Payza. I don't know that one. But alright guys, so all you gotta do is sign up. So after you guys sign up, just click on sign up and it's gonna bring you to this page. Sorry, it's loading. Alright, it's not giving me anything right now. So all you gotta do is just click sign up, and then after you sign up, it's gonna bring you over here where you can see statistics, manage links, withdrawal, tools, referral, and etc. So all you gotta do is take your link, the link that I just copied, paste it right here, shorten. It's gonna give you this, copy, and just to give it a little more uniqueness, I'm gonna come over to bit.ly. I'm gonna paste the link. I'm gonna copy, shorten, and then copy, and then I'm gonna come over to forum. And then all you gotta do is just join a forum, right? So you can check out the forum's detail, join a forum, and then you could just paste your link there, and every time somebody clicks on that link, you're gonna earn. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. So it's pretty easy, and as you can see, this is gonna be your statistic bar, total views, total earnings, and etc. All right, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description, guys, so you guys could go check it out and start earning. All right, so I'll see you guys in the other video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed or get any value, please subscribe, like, and share this video. All right guys.